sorted. What was that? What's that? Is that the rain issue on that? You know what I mean? You attract what you put out, don't you? If I was a bit of a different lad kind of person, maybe that's the type of clients I'd have. As you can see here, I'm cleaning the wheels on this beautiful matte Macan. It actually has a satin finish on the wheels as well. So if you don't know, when we're cleaning any vehicle with this type of finish, wheels or paint, it's better to use a matte product because you don't want to use a normal shampoo because they tend to have gloss additives in it. And with gloss additives, you'll end up having like a greasy finish on the vehicle. So matte is key.
Black guy on the team was like a...
He wasn't as open as it was now. Like we're talking like 2000s, 2004, that kind of time period.
How old were you?
14ish. and even storage was there, and he was getting grief. So basically, I remember his dad coming saying, "Oh, he didn't get in, he didn't get signed, blah blah blah," and his dad wasn't happy because his dad's like, "What's going on here? I'm bringing like talented players here, regardless if he's related to me or not." And you just don't seem to be. You know what I mean? And basically, commentary was like, "You've got a chip on your shoulder." So then what happened? He took Daniel out of commentary, and then he took him to Manchester City. A little trick when working on a matte car, glass cleaner, because it's alcohol based, it won't leave any greasy fingers. If you haven't got any matte detailer, next best thing to use to get off stains. Also, if you haven't seen already, we've actually been at this address before. You might have already looked at the layout if you've been following us. I think this looks familiar, so click here and you'll see the old video when we was at these premises originally.
A big part of things.
Nice. Now, originally when I started, obviously I taped this up with a wider tape and a thinner tape, and somebody might have thought, why have you done that? And also, why are you using such a big pad? The bigger the pad, the slower the oscillations. So it gives me enough time to compute what's going on with the pad and the machine on the plastic. Sometimes people use like this, exactly the right size pad for the machine. But the problem with that is then, even on the lowest setting, it's spinning too fast. So as much as you want to do a slow speed to, like, you know, fine tune what's going on, you're actually making it more aggressive because it's oscillating too quick. So sometimes it's better to use a bigger pad than the actual size of the backing plate, because it will slow down the speed of the machine and give you a better result. So the detailing light that we have here should be replicating as close to the sunlight as possible. So from research, that's where I found out about color profiles, about Kelvin, what color is the sun. The sun's between 5.5 to 6K, averaging, depends on the day. The question I'm going to ask you is, which would you pick out of the three cars? The Porsche Macan, Porsche Turbo S, the Ferrari Pista? Let us know in the comments below. Right now, go on. Which one?